I'm not holding back today, guys. I'm spilling all my secrets for fantastic fall decorating. Make sure you stay to the very end for an important announcement. I'm so glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniqueities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true Uniqueity. And today I thought it would be fun to just kind of take you around to little parts of my home. And we're just moving in here. So this is my first fall here, but I thought if I showed you kind of some of the little areas that I have done that really make me feel at home. And, I'm hoping that some of these ideas will be things that you can take away and make your home feel a little more fun for fall. So let's jump into today's video. First up is Gauzy Mesh, not to be confused with Gaudy Mesh because I'm usually one of those. I absolutely love Gauzy Mesh. I add it to so many little areas in my home during the fall season, and I think it just adds such an interesting touch. I use it in this cute little box, wooden box that my father-in-law made for me out of old barnwood, and just put lots of little interesting Halloween treasures in the box. A little sneak peek at the ceiling in my kitchen dining area. I think it's so pretty, but on my kitchen table, it's all very neutral there. Lots of creamy whites and grays. And I took a pot that I picked up at Goodwill, and I will show you what it used to look like here in just a minute. But I found some gauze in white at Dollar General, and I thought it looked it just kind of subtly fall. I added some cotton branches to my olive branches, and it looks so cute. And here's what it used to look like. I love putting the Gauzy Mesh on the top of a toilet lid. I think it's whimsical and unexpected. Just make sure you don't get it tangled up in the handle, but it's so fun and festive. Love, love, love the books. Next are the books. I pick up books all different places, but I get some of them at the Dollar Tree, and I will paint the spine and the cover to match my decor. A lot of these are old books, and I just enjoy having them in my space. This is an old one from a family member where they made their own cookbook, and they on the pages they added little clippings from magazines of recipes that they loved, and I love having this displayed for fall in my living room. But I just show the little pages. I think it's really cute that way. I use books in a lot of places, so let's look at some other areas. On the other side, I have a really cute little Doberman that I picked up from my friend Laura, and some books behind him, and he's perched on some books, so cute. And then down below, I have another old cookbook that I love, and an old container for cigars. I think some of those boxes are so pretty. And here's my table I did a video on a few months ago where I show you how to do a faux marble tabletop. And I'll link that video down below, but here I show two techniques. I show the tray on top, and then I have the little books at the bottom displaying all my cute little trinkets. So this is kind of random, but this is a little glass coaster with some St. Louis pictures on it. I love. It's for my friend Dana when I moved. And if you, I actually have white quartz countertops, and things stain really easy. So if you're using something in cooking such as wine or something greasy or like a teacup, having a really cute decorative coaster is a great way to sit things on, display it. It looks pretty visually, and it also protects your countertop. So keep that in mind. I think it's a really cute way to add something sweet to your decor. Now to my favorite, trays. I use them in so many places. This is one I absolutely love in my kitchen. I am totally obsessed with finishing salts and peppers, and this is one of my favorite spicy ones we picked up in Portsmouth on vacation one weekend, and I have this Merlot flavored one from the Jersey Shore. I have some cypress flakes. I have cute little containers to put them in, and I don't know why, but it just all makes me so happy. But to have a little station very close to my food prep area and my stove it makes it so simple to just use what I need. And this one I actually got on vacation in Mexico, so I actually got a brand new little gold spoon for it now, so I'm excited to put it in there. This little thing I hold, little jar for peppercorns, I got actually at the Dollar Tree, and when I put it in the dishwasher to wash it, it changed the color of the lid, and I love it. And here is a sheet metal tray that I have in my living room, and it just kind of keeps everything together. And there's some more books, but I am looking for a little box to put my my remotes in, but right now I just have this little caddy. But I just love how everything's kind of connected and combined together, and it just looks pretty. And then of course the dog food and treats. On my kitchen cabinet I have these great containers on a tray, and everything is nice and tidy. And if you've got to feed a dog anyway, it might as well be pretty, right? So that I think is so nice. I love putting my soap on a little tray or a little, this is actually like a little decorative tile, and for the holidays and different parts of the season, I change out my soap. I get these usually at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and I find vessels that I really love, and a lot of times I'll just refill them. Here is another way to use a tray, but I'm using a cutting board as a tray. I've got my fog candle on it. I've got a little dome that I can, when I'm ready to take the flame out, I just cover it up with the dome. But I love the look of this. Cutting boards are very trendy right now. So cute. On to the laundry room, and of course you've got to have a tray in the laundry room with all your pods in great jars. So I have, you know, OxyClean and my dryer sheets. It's all there together. I'm getting ready to paint the laundry room, so if you have any great ideas on what color I should paint it, let me know. My washer and dryer are this beautiful blue. Last little tip here, I love Meyer's cleaning products and soaps. They smell so amazing, and right now at Target you can get this acorn, I think it's called acorn, I'm not sure exactly. There's several flavors and scents, but it smells, I'm telling you, smells so amazing. And I also have it in a dishwashing soap as well. So when you wash your countertops or you wash your dishes, it smells like fall. So how perfect is that? I sure hope you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed seeing little parts of my home where I incorporate these little simple easy tips. Here is a bonus for you. If you really don't know kind of how to put it together, take a peek at this. Start with a tray or a basket. Add some books. Add a decorative component like some greenery. Then add a few seasonal components like this pumpkin and this acorn, and you're done. It's that simple. I sure hope you enjoyed today's video, and I would love to have you back as a subscriber. So make sure you stay to the very end of this message for an important announcement. Have a sweet and unique day. See you soon, everyone. This is a very important public service announcement. If you don't currently feel, oh my gosh, Maximus, if you don't, I'm trying to be serious here. If you don't currently feel fantastic and awesome, it's probably because you've not yet subscribed to my channel. So what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna be friends. And guess what? Full money. I said I'm gonna offer them their money back. Full money back guarantee if you don't like my channel. However, you didn't give me any, so there is that. But we're gonna be having so much fun here, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. So hit subscribe. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Have a great day.